Yes, welcome back. Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Hindi natin ito pinanonood kasi hindi ko pa alam yung result. Pero ito mega crew na to, napanood ko na to. Kaya alam ko kung sino yung nanalo dito. Ang gusto ko, panoorin mong mabuti at ikaw yung titignan ko kung ano yung mga score na ibibigay mo sa kanila. Parang ikaw yung magiging judge. Right? Play ko na to. Osaka.
Sure.
Ang una magsasayaw first, Osaka. Ojogang. Ang category nila yung papakita mo dapat yung nationality mo.
Okay.
Tapos,
Oh, wow,
choreography.
Okay, ang color nila green and white. Okay, sige. Ano pa?
Basta, kailangan mega crew.
Is that the violin? Music nila maganda. I like it.
Kulay green sila kasi Ojogang is green.
Color nila, nila yon. Color nila yon.
Yung group nila green.
Dati pa.
Oo.
Di ko kasi natatandaan dahil sa tagal. Okay. Uy, nagbago na ng camera. Oh, next. Next is black now. Kind of like a cat. Ay! Twice yan na.
Yeah, nagulat ka?
How did they get twice?
Kasi yung isang, magkapatid yan. Kaya mabilis nila nakuha kasi kapatid niya. Busy yan twice, busy.
Because of a sibling connection.
Yeah. Busy sila. Busy yan twice.
It could just be one member but they got the whole group.
Yeah.
Napakagaling naman nila. Dahil nga may kapatid. Their dancing was really impressive. Gusto ko ang twice.
Ito na yung important.
Oh,
High angle section.
okay, high angle. High angle shot. What's the category? High angle lang? Isa lang?
Ha?
Okay. Sa taas nga. Pero isa lang.
Oo. Basta sa taas manggagaling.
Okay. Yun lang.
Tapos na.
Oh,
Parang hip-hop
Hip-hop.
sila.
hip-hop nga yan. Okay. Ba't ngayon ang color nila pink? Iba na. Oh, ito na. This is the part I really like. Nagbalik sila. It's so groovy. That part is really nice. I love it. Makes me want to dance. Depende talaga sa music kung makaka-dance. Kung gusto mo mag-dance. No?
Yeah.
It's like the music really pull me in here. Yung kamay nila, diba? And even their outfits, I like them.
May props kasi sila, no?
Yes. Kapakabilis ng kamay nila. Sakit siguro sa yan.
Walking.
Sa arm nila. Walking, yes. Oh.
Parang dami nila nagsasayaw. Mega crew nga. Okay, next. Next muna natin. Mamaya
Okay,
tayo mag-comment.
sige. Rate natin mamaya ha.
Yeah. Next is Australia. AG Squad. Sila yung OG na royal family.
Alright.
Ang leader is Kea.
Okay. Kea? Nakalagay dun, Kea nga.
Yeah. Meron na siyang 3 anak, you know?
Okay. Si Kea.
May 3 na pala siyang anak.
Oh, they're performing outside?
Yeah. Sa bansa nila.
Oh, they're
Ano
showcasing their country.
Mga
Those are-
indigenous.
What do you call them?
Indigenous people.
Tribes, right?
Yeah, mga tribo. Ang hina.
Oh, they really dance outside.
Desierto ba yan?
I don't know. Wow, okay.
Akala ko bubuwal si Kea.
Bakit?
Yun yung muko.
Red ang suit niya, then brown yung mga dancer pa niya. And
Ang ganda ng transition.
grabe, gusto ko yun, Toby.
Hey.
It's kind of creepy. What's that for that? Something like eerie or Siri for
Ay,
unsettling?
aha.
Is there? sila.
Sa forest.
Flexible.
Mahilig siya sa sexy dance. Nakita mo
Oh.
yun, Moon?
Oh, wow. They also
Transition.
filmed at night. So you can tell they really get them with all their order. And apart what hip-hop, right?
Yeah, hip-hop.
Nabubulol na ako. Naintindihan ba ako?
Hindi.
Uh-huh.
Medyo linawan mo.
I think the style of the dance was cramping, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Red eyes. Hand movement again. Very nice. Oh, it's amazing.
Kaya tawag doon sa hand movement
I
nila.
don't know.
Seryoso si kuya. Madai siyang ganap.
Yes. Oh. Okay, camera angle. Again, wow. Yumuyug-yug ah. Parang gusto kong makiyug-yug.
Parang
I like
mga
the song.
zombie.
Oh. The camera work here is so good.
Oh,
And even their dance is so unique, kinda shaky and bouncy. Look at that! Look at that! Even the music, wow. Look!
maitim yung dagat.
Oh, wow! This is the high angle section. I really like this high angle shot. Look at that! The whole cruise there's now. There now. They pulled it off well.
Hip-hop talaga sila.
I'm liking this. I'm liking the music too. Oh. Oh, flexible.
Parang hinampas siya.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. The camera work. The camera
ginawa
work there
niya?
was
Parang-
insane. Yeah. You know,
Huh?
camera work there was insane. I wonder who came up with that. It's so unique. I never seen anything like that before. Have you?
Nakalagay. Wala.
Oh.
Parang nakalagay si director, si Kea.
Wow. I like it.
Meron siyang, hinagis ba niya? Parang, may tawag dun eh. Hindi ko alam kung hinampas niya eh. O, ang bilis. Fast forward, yata ginawa niya.
Yes. Okay.
Tokyo. Tokyo na.
Tokyo. Okay, so they
Yata.
are from Tokyo. They based in Japan.
1990. Basahin mo.
Alright, 1990. It's Rihata. Right. The leader Rihata.
Yeah. Yata.
You know that song sounds familiar. I think I've heard it before.
Nakita mo yung part na yon?
Yes.
Ayan. Nasa
Oh, yeah,
school.
Yes, yes.
Si ano,
Oh.
yung Japanese na sikat na series.
Popular track siguro yan, ano? Or kaya ano? Sounds similar to some songs I've listened to before. The kind of vibe.
Mamaya ko sasabihin yung nakalimutan ko. Yung nasa school sila.
Nandun ka pa rin sa music, tinatanong ko yung music kung sound familiar.
Hindi.
Oh, wow.
Ay, kasi yung singer yan, parang yung
Okay.
singer yan yung sikat na sikat sa Toxic.
Wow. Binaligtad.
Yeah.
Nasa school sila. Mga bata yun nasa likod.
Estudyante.
Oh,
Ayan.
2020.
Yan yung sinasabi mo kamukha.
Okay.
Parang
I feel like their music's evolving.
Oo.
Earlier, it felt like
Yeah.
1990s vibes, but now we're in 2025. This one's more this one's giving more of a city hip hop.
Ayun na high angle section.
Yeah, high angle section. That's so creative. Puro sila umbrella, di ba? Mahilig sa umbrella nga sila, di ba?
I don't know.
Their style is on point. I love it.
Parang ma-bass.
Yeah. Okay.
Parang mahilig din sila sa hip-hop.
Yeah.
Hindi na bago yung music nila.
Yung kalaw ni Riata, nakita ko na. Kahit na hindi ko siya masyadong kilala. Dun sa, yung the way she dance. Yeah. Makikita
Signature
mo
dance.
Riata, oh.
Signature dance. May kanya-kanya sila.
When did they shoot on a different script? That's
Naalala mo
impressive, ah. Gusto ko.
Ha?
Okay? Sige na nga. Doon na
Naalala
tayo
mo
sa
yung sinabi
kabila.
ko, yung suot ni Riata, yung kulay red na damit.
Okay,
Yung
sino
sikat
naman
na
to?
Motive yan, USA.
Okay, up next natin. Ito na pala, nag-play na nga. Motive.
Motive yan, hip-hop yan.
USA.
Parang wala naman silang ibang genre, hip-hop.
Puro hip-hop.
Oo.
I wonder if they flew back home already or where they was performed. Where? That's the question.
Parang hindi sila umuwi.
Basta the background is all black and their feet are... Wow. Okay. Dahil... Ang bilis ng video? Ang bagal kong mag-react, no? Ang dami nagaganap. Oh, hip-hop na hip-hop. Di ba Filipina yun? Yung... Pinakita
Sabi
ko
nga
na.
nila Pilipina, pero nasa US naman siya. Kaya more on ano siya. American talaga siya.
Running. Yung facial expressions.
Matindi
Ano ba sabi ko? Facial expressions ba? Sabi ko. Facial expression.
Gusto ko yung outfit nila. Red.
Red and blue. And black background. Ito.
May guess sila.
Oh. Meron silang guest. Ang nakuha nila ay batang.
Maybe Chinese nationality.
Bata ka. Bata ito.
Galing ng
Ang
paa.
galing ng poong. Napakagaling naman magsayo ng batang ito. Oh, ito na yung high angle section.
Red and white. Parang chill. Chillax sila, di ba?
Yes. Parang ganun yata ang hip-hop. Hip-hop pa rin ba yan? I'm not
Oo,
really
hip-hop
sure
yan.
what this style is called.
Pinakita
Chill ang vibe.
sila ng nagpakita sila ng iba't ibang tao. Yan.
Almost like they're resting yung sayo nila. It kind of reminds me of Dua Lipa.
Oh, Dua Lipa.
Dua Lipa styles. Ay, ganun lang. Hindi ko kasi alam tawag dyan. I'm not really sure what this style is called.
Alam ko hip-hop yan.
There's a story behind that. They know it. But for us, we don't really know the full background.
Alam ko na, urban hip-hop.
Oh,
Di ba may mga ganun? Pinatawag. Ako familiar kasi.
I'm not
Next!
sure din eh.
Next!
Next
Mega
na natin
Commission.
ay... Wait
Korea.
lang. Yung mic ko. Up next natin, thumbs up yan, diba?
Yeah.
From the looks of this picture, it kinda gives of James Bond vibe. Oh! I was shocked.
Wait, ang
Like,
lakas.
seriously, wow. That gave me instant goosebumps. That was intense. Intense, yan. Nabubudol na ako.
Ayan si Honey J.
Yes, Honey J. Goosebumps right there.
Outfit check. Black, white. Black and white.
Their combo is black and white.
Pinaghandaan nila yan. May curtains.
Yes. You can really, tell na pinaghandaan nila. Well planned. Nakaka-goosebump yan.
Sino yung hinagis nila?
I don't know. Ang bilis eh. Ang bilis din, oh. Si Rihe. Si Rihe yan. I can already see it.
Yeah.
The first one I noticed, I didn't mention earlier. Wait. Hindi. Sinabi ko pala si Honey K. And this one. And this...
Jose.
Oh, Nose. Okay, si Nose. Ang bilis, no? Ang bilis. Everything is so well throughout. Look amazing. High angle section.
Kung di ako nagkakamali, Yung high angle session na yan yung laro sa Korea.
Oh.
Parang yung Otelo, hindi naman, Otelo ba tawag doon?
I don't
Parang
know.
yung Go, basta, yun ang nakikita ko.
They're so synchronized. That's like a domino effect.
Yan.
That part was insane. Oh, it's Bada. Right?
Yeah, Bada. Siya yung nanalo last year. Si Bada. Siya yung nag-champion.
Oh, it's and I forgot her name.
Lip J.
Lip J. I honestly, like her. Sleep J. I like how she dance. And
Lee Jung.
Lee Ju.
Yung mga nagsayaw pala, mga dancer din nila lahat.
Oh,
Meron ng familiar faces eh.
Lee Jung sa huli pinakita, no?
Oo.
Yung facial expression talaga ni Lee Jung, intense talaga lagi. And the music is super intense too.
Hindi ko akalain may tao doon.
Ako din.
Tapos nalipat sila. Grabe.
There are so many of them, It's definitely a mega crew.
Okay. Eto na. Final thoughts. Bigyan natin sila ng score. Ang hirap. Ang hirap mag-score ah. 5 sila. So, wait, lang may sabihin ako. Osaka Gang, bibigyan ko sila ng... Bibigyan ko silang 50 to 100. Bibigyan ko sila ng 80. 80. Makikinig ka.
Yes.
AG Squad. Oh. Maganda rin pinakita nila. 85. Ang Tokyo, 85. Ang ano yung susunod? Motive. Oh. 80. Ang Korea, 100. Oo, kasi alam mo bakit? You know why? Ang hinahanap ko kasi sa Mega Crew, yung goosebumps. Yung umpisa pa lang, hindi sa bias na hindi ko bias ang Pero, all in all, yung performance ng Bamsap, kikilabutan ka. Yung goosebumps talaga. Makikita mo lahat ng galaw. Yung puso mo, aatakihin ka sa galing nila. Kasi sila yung pinakakulelat eh. Kasi ang iniisip ko, paano nila mapupull off yung Mega Crew? Kaya ang galing nila. Perfect din. Lalo yung sa high section. Yung sa high section, ikukumpara ko sa ibang mga Mega Crew, kaunti lang yung nila high section. Pero sila, ang haba ng pakita nila, saka sobrang clean. Kaya bibigyan ko sila ng 100. Ay, wait pala. Yung sinasabi ko si Riata. Gokusen. Gokusen yun, yung jogging pants na yung jacket na red. Gokusen yun, nakita ko yun. Kasi sikat sa Japan yun eh. Gokusen. Sige, ikaw naman.
Okay. Ang unang nag-perform, Osaka, bibigyan ko sila ng
Paliwanag mo muna ba?
binigyan ko ang Osaka dahil sa music. Dahil sa music nila, I like the music. Osaka 80. Next, AG 90. High angle. Kaya sila mataas high angle dahil sa nakita ko yung pangalan nila mula sa taas AG. Next, Tokyo 70. And Motive is 60. And dito sa Korea, magbibigay ako ng thoughts na alright, overall this performance on a whole new Other level, ano?
Wait lang, wala
Walang
pa gusto
bias,
ko yung
ano?
thumbs up. Nag-tots ka na agad.
Magtatats ako sa thumbs up. Okay. Hindi, ito kasi yung final. May final thoughts para sa thumbs up. Ayan, synchronization, 100% sa kanila. You can really see how much time and effort they put into every detail, from their costume to the camera work. I love the creativity and the way they tell the story with their movements, Korea, costume. Kasi umpisa pa lang, nagkaroon na ako agad ng goosebumps. Yun yung hinahanap ko sa mga magdadance. Goosebumps so many times. Ayun. Dahil sila yung, yung pinanood natin na nakaraan, di ba? Parang sila yung inaapi. Underdog sila.
Underdog talaga, sobra.
Ngayon, nagulat ako. Hindi ko ina-expect na sila yung magbibigay sa akin ng goosebumps. Kaya, ang ibibigay ko sa kanilang score ay 100. They are so amazing. Ayan.